Today I am reading months of the year. 12 months are in a year. Those are, first month is January, January. Second month is February, February. Third month is March, March. Fourth month is April, April. Fifth month is May. Sixth month is June, June. Seventh month is July, July. Eighth month is August, August. Ninth month is September, September. 10th month is October, October. 11th month is November, November. 12th month is December, December. So, 12 months are in a year. Thank you.